Arts Council of Pakistan, Karachi was the venue where performing arts aficionados converged to witness Heart and Mind, a performance by American dancer and choreographer Julia Rhodes. Speaking on the occasion, Julia Rhodes said,
"The character that I play is an old Italian comedic character. His name is Piero, and he's known as the sad clown in Italian comedy. And this is kind of a play on the difference, the line between tragedy and comedy, as well as the difference between the actor and the character he portrays. So there's always two people at play, and sometimes they agree with each other and sometimes they don't." I've been dancing classical ballet since I was 5 years old in America, where I grew up, and I studied dance in university. And since I left university, I've been to Cambodia for 3 years, where I learned more, to South Korea, where I was dancing for a company, and now I'm here in Pakistan, learning Bhangra and enjoying myself thoroughly. I don't know much, but I'm learning. I'm learning some of the traditional dances with a studio in Lahore currently. I'm just trying to soak it all in as much as I can. I lived abroad for 6 years, and I understand now that the media does not represent the truth. So I was not surprised by what I found in Pakistan. What I'm trying to do is, while I'm here, to blog and to spread the word. And I think I can see myself coming back here very often. I don't see myself, I don't know where I'm living in the future, but I can see where Pakistan might fit and play a role in that.